What's up, guys? Welcome back to DFOURFIX, another video. And we got the same vehicle. It's got the service engine lights on, and the service engine lights, the code is P0154. Let me double check. Yeah, P0154. It's gonna be O2 sensor, bank2 sensor 1. It's gonna be located over here. It's the front of the engine. It's gonna be the engine's gonna be left and right. So it's gonna be right here, down below right here. So this one that I'm talking about, right here, and you see the white line was going, and that one here is the one that I got it from AutoZone, and the part number is right here. Okay, and if you have the same code like I have, and you can search Google and what it is, and I'll show you guys right here on my OBD2 scanner, and you might see it. Okay, you guys can read it. O2 sensor, you know, that means bank2 sensor 1, a P0154. So we're gonna replace that. To do this job, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off the ignition coil boot, this one. Okay, I'm gonna use this one, the two that I got it. This one I never use it, it's still brand new, and now go inside. So we're gonna take it off this one. See? Okay, here we go. Here is the bad one, and the good one is right here. Match it with this one, and because this one they got a cap, because they put it the some of the, you know, grease stuff like that. Okay, they all the same. Look at this one. Okay, they all the same. So we're gonna place this one back inside. Okay, now we finish replacing a O2 sensor, bank2 sensor 1. Okay, so if you have any question for the service engine light, and you can leave me comment down section below. I'm gonna give you the right answer. Okay, this is DFOURFIX. If you guys like my YouTube channel, make sure don't forget to hit the subscription button, open your notification bell, the way that when I upload the video, you guys gonna receive it as well. So this is DFOURFIX, guy. I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. Make sure to stay tuned. Okay, I got a lot of job to do on the car. So this is DFOURFIX. Peace.